Our guest today is Gary Siegel, who is helping out on the front lines with the Liberty Rotary Club in Operation Feed. Welcome, Gary. Thanks for being here.
Hey, thanks for having me.
So you're involved with the Liberty Rotary, and have they developed Operation Feed as a response to the COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah, so when the pandemic hit, we were trying to figure out how we could contribute and how we could help locally. And we came up with this idea of Operation Feed, where we could try to help out the local restaurants and businesses. That's one of the missions, by purchasing meals there at the different restaurants, and by delivering these meals a couple times a day to the healthcare workers and employees at Catskill Regional Medical Center, who are on the front lines. They're working every day. They're putting their lives on the line every single day. So we wanted to figure out a way to kind of help them through this and say thank you.
Can you talk about some of the challenges that you faced during putting this Operation Feed together?
Well, I think the biggest challenge was getting it started and setting it up, and then getting the volunteers. We have our Rotary members, and that's the other thing. Our Rotarians have been absolutely fantastic, and they order the food, they pick up the food, they deliver the food, and they're all volunteers. And they're going out. They're all practicing social distancing and following the CDC regulations and recommendations. But I think the biggest challenge was getting it off the ground, getting the schedule made, and getting the spreadsheet made so that we could take care of all the employees and I just work together. To coordinate everything.
Can you talk a little bit about what community members can do to help out the organization and with Operation Feed?
Well, I think the best thing that community members can do is to donate. That's really, I think we have enough volunteers. We have a great number of restaurants that are participating, but it's $10. If a donation of $10 purchases one meal for a CRMC healthcare worker or employee. 12 local restaurants have been supported at this point. We've put over $5,000 so far into the local economy by purchasing the meals, and over 700 right now. Over 700 Catskill Regional Medical Center employees have been impacted by Operation Feed so far. But the donations, basically, there is a donate now button on our webpage, and basically on our Facebook page. We usually put some way to donate on our Facebook posts. The other way that community members could help is to share our posts.
Excellent.
Like our posts, share our posts on social media, on Facebook. I believe we're also on Instagram and on Twitter.
What is your Facebook name?
Anything, it's Liberty NY Rotary, Liberty NY Rotary, I believe it is.
Okay, great. Is there anything else that you'd like to share?
No, I think just basically that, our motto in Rotary is service above self, and we have a little slogan for our club that's WGSD, which is we get stuff done.
You do.
That's right. So I don't think there's any. We're just overwhelmed by the support that we're getting from the community. We're so grateful to our healthcare workers and our Catskill Regional employees. We're so grateful to all of our volunteers and those who are helping to coordinate this, and especially those who are on the front line, who are putting their lives on the line every day. And hopefully very soon we'll be on the other side of this nasty pandemic, and we'll know what the new normal is.
Yeah.
And we'll be able to get on with all of our other programs and projects that have been postponed at this point and delayed.
Excellent. I think we've been liking and sharing your posts, so we'll be sure to keep up on that.
We appreciate that. We do.
Thanks, Gary. Thanks for your time, and thanks for being here and letting us know what you guys are doing to help out Sullivan County. And we're so proud of your efforts, and we're so proud of our healthcare workers. So thanks.
Well, thanks to you for helping to spread the word and for everything that Sullivan 180 does in the community also. We very much appreciate it.
Of course. So thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for our next episode, which is coming soon.